Well, welcome back to my channel, and first and foremost I want to wish everyone a happy new year. This is my first video of the new year and also the first video after the great Arctic blast. I have been on vacation, me and the family, up in North Florida for the past 10 days, and we just arrived back, and I'm going to show you what I walked out to when I got back home. Okay, what you're looking at are my tomatoes. Specifically, this is a Florida 91 variety. And while I do have green tomatoes on it, if you look closely, this one seems to be okay. The red one, I'm probably going to attempt to save that one. However, if you look down here, you have some that look like they have been burnt, specifically by the cold. So I'm going to take the green ones off along with the one right one, and I'm going to call this particular tomato plant toast, and I'm going to get rid of it. These are my cherry sweet 100s, and pretty much the same thing with the Florida 91. I have some ripe tomatoes, and I'm going to take those off, and the rest of the plant I'm going to consider as being toast, and I'm going to get rid of it. My lettuce, deer head lettuce here, and some blue lake lettuce seem to have come through pretty well, so no problems. Here are one variety of marigold, and another one here. It looks like it came through pretty well, no problems. I had previously cut back my bell peppers, and I'm not sure if they are going to come back or not, so I'm not going to do anything with these just yet. These two plants were my eggplants, and these are toast. These will be gotten rid of. My bell pepper and parsley and oregano, I'm not sure if these will come back or not. I'm going to cut them back and give it some time to see if they come back out. My okra plants either have gone dormant or they're toast as well. Carrots seem to be doing well, no issues or anything like that. Here we have my white turnips, and looks like the cold actually helped them. The root part have gotten much bigger, so we're going to be harvesting these. My ghost pepper plant itself looks like it's okay. Doesn't look as lush as what it once was. I do have some burnt leaves. I'm assuming these will come back. Here, my Tabasco pepper plant, lots of burnt leaves. Not sure if I'm going to try to save it. Probably will eventually. Here in top row, I have some Purple Lady Troy. It seemed to be doing okay. My elephant garlic came through like a champ, no problem. This is one of my broccoli sprouts plants. Got bigger and it seemed like it survived it okay. My broccoli, one of my broccoli plants, I have a head. I'm going to try to get that shortly. It's toast. And the sister plant next to it is also toast. My cabbage seemed to do well. We have a lot of Chinese cabbage. I'm going to come out and harvest some of it. And it looks like it came through pretty well. I have regular cabbage, ball head cabbage. I have a small head here that I'm going to harvest. And all of the plants look like they came through pretty well. I have another small head here. Not going to get that one yet. All kinds of choy and more lettuce here. More romaine lettuce back here coming up. Seems like they survived the cold pretty well. Mustards survived the cold well. Collards seem to have survived well. Onions did well. And the broccoli, third broccoli, did not do well. So I'm going to be removing that as also. So it looks like I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. With the other 2 makes 6. So I'm going to have 8, maybe 9 plants that I lost during the freeze. Dinosaur kale is coming along. Looks like it did well. And here we have the broccoli. I'm sorry, Brussels sprout. And it looks like it came through well, pretty well. So now I'm going to go in the house and get some something to put vegetables in, and I'm going to come out and do some harvesting. Okay, this is a very big harvest by my standards. We have 2 large heads of Chinese cabbage, broccoli, 2 small heads of cabbage. We have lettuce, we have tomatoes, and we have hot peppers. Overall, very nice harvest. Considering what they went through with the cold, I'm extremely satisfied. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on my first video of 2023. Can't believe it, we're in 2023 already. Looking forward to bigger and better things for the year, so this was a good way to start it. I have some plants to replace. I think around about 9 maybe, but overall that's not too bad, and some of them needed to be replaced anyway, like for instance the tomatoes. I was thinking about starting 2 types of determinate tomatoes to replace the ones that I have here, since I wanted to try to have tomatoes year round. So I think I'm going to start some of those. I'm also probably in a later video rather, show myself planting those, and also starting some cauliflower and trying to start some spinach again. I have some seeds for both that I ordered, and they're here, so I'm going to try it again. I'm also going to I have bought some store-bought black-eyed peas, and I'm going to try to plant some of them in one of my green stock planters, and probably in the raised bed that has the turnips in it. Those are almost done. So hopefully, I know it's a little early to be starting beans. Um, I'm sorry, peas, but I'm going to see if I can get away with it. And I'll show you how it turns out. But until next time, I want to thank you for watching. Everything that I use in my garden is located in my Amazon storefront below. If you're interested in what I use, by all means, point your mouse over to that and take a look. If you're interested in using the AgroThrive biofertilizer that I use, I'm also affiliated with that. So go ahead and click on the link below. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family.